in this video, let us learn about World Consumers Day and how it started, and also we'll learn about some major objectives of World Consumers Day. Okay, so let's begin. So World Consumers Day came into force on March 15th, 1962, as it was recognized as one of an important day. Okay, because on that day the President John F. Kennedy gave the American consumer 4 basic rights. They are the right to safety, the right to choose, the right to information, and the right to be heard. For this reason, March 15 of every year is celebrated as the World Consumers Day. So let us go further and learn some of the major objectives of this particular act. So the act accords importance of safety and quality. Okay, so avoiding production and sale of dangerous goods, prevention of trade malpractices in the market, supervision on quality, weights, measures and price, compensating the consumers in case of any problem arising as a result of trade, creating awareness to the consumers through consumer protection or consumer education. The Consumer Protection Act extends to the whole of India. It applies to all goods and services. The Act promotes the right to the customers, such as the right to protect against the marketing and goods which are hazardous to life and property of the consumers. And the next one is the right to information. Next, the right to choice. So what does right to choice means? Whenever possible, access to variety of goods at competitive prices. Okay. Next is right to be heard. The interest of the consumers to be heard with due consideration. Next is right to seek redressal against the unfair trade practices or unscrupulous exploitation. Next one is right to consumer education and right to stop exploitation. So these were some of the rights given for the Indian consumers to protect the consumer exploitation.